Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A54 cases from Poetic. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing of these three cases here. If you guys know, I did receive the Samsung Galaxy A54 this past week, and I've been kind of messing around with it. Very good phone, right? But Poetic was nice enough to send me out a few cases for the device, so let's go ahead and check these out really quick. I did tell them that I was a fan of the slimmer style cases, so they did send me this one, a Poetic Neon Samsung A54 black new case. So let's go ahead and get my trusty knife over here so we can get that going for you guys. I'm more of a fan of minimalistic cases. I really don't care for like those bulletproof or shockproof cases, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, I think no matter what case you have on the device, it's going to be protected. Right now, of course, obviously, if you buy those those nicer cases, again, the rugged cases, you're going to get a lot more protection, right? But in this case, you know, for me, like, I just like something that is going to feel okay going inside of my pant pocket, and, you know, taking it out of my pants, and of course, you know, just holding onto it. So first of all, this is a very nice case. I do like the grips right here, you know, especially when you're holding it like that. It does feel a little plasticky, like not in a bad way, but like on the outer edges have, you know, rubber texture to it, which is good, right? Because again, for the grip, right, this one, I guess it's not so much of a fingerprint magnet. I just don't like the way it feels, but I mean, it's okay, you know, because the way it feels doesn't really matter. What the purpose that it's serving is what's really mattering. So I'm wiping off the stuff over here. So no screen protector on this one. This one's just straightforward. You just put it in, and then let's take a look at what that says. It says drop. MILS STD 80G 516. So I'm not sure exactly what those numbers mean, but again, it does say that it's the neon case, and I believe you might be able to get this in different colors. They sent me I think it's an orange color. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. And right away, just having the case on, I can tell you it feels a lot better in the hand, you know, because the Samsung A54 is a very slippery device. I believe all the way around, it feels like it has a glass backing, so it's not a very sturdy phone to have in the hand, right? But you know, whatever, it is what it is, right? It does feel good though. Again, let's take a look here. So it does have the cutout for the microphone up here. Here are your cutouts for again, your USB type C, again, your speaker grill, and your other microphone cutout as well. And again, I kind of like it, honestly. I like it. I like the fact that it's not a fingerprint magnet, and now that I actually have the case on, the feeling of this doesn't feel that bad, because it does feel a little bit slippery also, but you know, I like the way the neon looks, I love the way the grip around the case goes. So there is the neon case, guys. Let's go ahead and get the other cases unboxed, okay? All right, and the next case for the Samsung A54 series is the Poetic Revolution series case. This is another black version. Again, I don't know if you can actually scan the QR code for installation instructions. So I've dealt with several of these cases as far as, you know, the Revolution series. So first thing you got to know is it does come with a screen protector type thing that, you know, it does come with. So you have kind of two parts of the case here. So let's go ahead and take that off. I'm gonna have a lot of plastic. Let me go ahead and throw that in the trash here. So you have this portion of this, which is actually like a hardcover plastic, right? And it looks like the way it's set up here is for the fingerprint sensor down below, because this phone does have a fingerprint sensor on the front screen. But I'm not a fan of using these, even though, like, if you want to use this for your phone as far as scratch resistance and stuff like that goes, I don't think it has any anything. I don't think it'll do anything to protect the phone if it falls on its face. It's just a piece of plastic. It's not like a glass screen protector. Let's go ahead and take that off really quick. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't want to touch the back, even though I think they put a piece of plastic on the back also to kind of protect that side. But yeah, I usually don't use this. What I usually will use is just the regular portion of the case, which is, you know, this where you just kind of clip it on to the front, which I will do right now. Let me go ahead and throw this away also. Let's take a look at the case first, though. Again, these Poetic cases, they have nice designs. Like, I mean, they're very nice, as you can see there. I kind of like the way this one looks. And of course, it does have these little kickstands so that you can kind of lay the phone down and just kind of rest it. So if you're, you know, on lunch or, you know, doing something where you need to kind of prop your phone up, it'll do that. Hold on, let's kind of move the tripod just a little bit there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the phone situated here. So what you want to do is you want to pop this little portion of the case to the front of the phone. Sometimes you'll hear a snap. In this case, I'm not hearing anything. I feel like it's just kind of popped on. And then of course you just have to wedge the phone in over here and make sure that the little things line up. But I definitely do like the way this case feels. I do like the other one though. The neon case is an awesome case. I'm probably most likely going to use this case, but this case does feel a little minimalistic also on its design. And as you can see here, it's going to be a good photo there. As you can see there, you know, it does look nice all the way around. I do like the little sleek shiny design in the back. Again, let's take a look at the top here. Let's take a look at the sides for you guys. And of course, you know, you do have that little protection thing on the bottom for the charging port. Although I don't know if these cases have any type of waterproofing. I don't believe they do. Although the phone is IP rated. It's IP68 rated, guys. So you're definitely going to get some sort of waterproofing with the phone, regardless whether the case is waterproof or not, right? But you know, I think I guess the purpose of these also is just to have a little bit of extra protection if the phone does take a hit and falls in the water. I kind of actually like this case over the other one, if I can be completely honest, guys. And you know, the only thing I kind of hate about these cases is having to take this out if I want to charge the phone, because this phone does not have any type of wireless capabilities, right? So like in cases like this, you know, again, like let's say I'm driving or something like that and I want to connect my phone really quick to charge, having to kind of open this little flap and do that, it would be kind of annoying. And I don't know what the, you know, the durability long term of these are. But again, guys, usually these cases are $20 or under, so I will post affiliate links for all of these devices in the description below. Very nice looking phone case though. I really do like it. And let's go ahead and check out the next case, guys. All right, guys, and the last case in the lineup is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Poetic Guardian case. It's going to show right there. If you can't see that, sorry about that. But again, I will post links in the description for all of these cases. I'll go ahead and leave an affiliate link for you guys to check out. Again, these cases are all under $20, and this case manufacturer basically makes cases for all phones, guys. So if you want like a rugged style case like the one I just showed you, you can, you know, definitely check that out. Or if you want something more of a minimalistic style case, like again like this one, then you can check that out as well. So again, out of the box, you're gonna get two of the same things, guys. You're gonna get that little front facing thing, which I'm not gonna actually take out of the package here, just because literally the same thing that is in the front that I used for the last case, it's the same thing basically. So I don't see any point of like taking it out and putting it back in. So let's go ahead and throw this away. So this Guardian case, you know, it looks nice. I guess it gives you the see-through aesthetic, right? Sometimes I'm a fan of these, sometimes I'm not, just because I know they can tend to be fingerprint magnets. But the thing I kind of don't like about them is, like, again, like if I have like a piece of dog hair or something in the back of the phone, like I don't know what happened there. Like, look at that smudge on the back of the device. You're gonna see that if you don't clean it before putting the actual phone in the case. And even then, okay, I don't know what's going on with this. It just suddenly got dirty. I don't know if my hands are just extremely dirty now. Whatever. For a second there, it looked like a scratch. So I was kind of worried, because I was like, oh my god, I just got this phone and it's already got a scratch on it. But anyways, you know, that's the point. That's the purpose of the case. So of course, again, you get this little front facing thing, which again I don't plan to use the plastic cover just because. But what you do get, again, is you get a clear case out of the box there. So let's go ahead and put this in. And again, it's same process. You kind of just have to wedge it in there and whatnot. So again, this is what, you know, the Poetic Guardian case would look like. So again, if I know this one comes in different colors, right? This comes like in a kind of like a lightish purple and like a green color and a white color. I have the graphite color, so to me, this case I probably wouldn't keep this case on, just especially because there's really no protection in the back. But if you look at it closely, you can see that these outer edges of the corners have, like, you know, I guess more protection than you would get on the other ones, even though all of them have pretty good backings. And again, you can kind of see the logo there on the bottom, Poetic. And excuse the lighting, by the way. I'm kind of testing out my ring light here for these unboxings now. But again, like, I can just already tell that it's a dust magnet, and I'm not a fan of it. And look, oh, let's go ahead and peel this off for the ASMR people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So I didn't even realize it had a plastic little cover there. I should have just left it on there, but you know, again, it's more of a plasticky type feel, and it's not to me, it's not protective. But like I said, like, you can use these, you know, if I drop the device, you know, at any time, these corners in the front and the back are going to protect the device no matter what. Like, the only time you really probably have to worry about the phone cracking is if the phone honestly just like smacks the corner or something, like if it falls and like hits something like the PS4 controller right there, guys. But overall, you know, and again, going back, I told you can already see dust and hairs. I have animals, by the way, guys, so I apologize about that. But you know, let's say you stick this in your pocket and you have a lot of lint in your pocket. You're gonna take the phone out, and it's gonna show a lot of lint, especially on that back casing. So that's the only reason why I'm kind of not a fan of this case. But something that I like, you know, maybe something somebody else loves, or I mean, something that I dislike, maybe something that somebody else loves. So in this case, like, you know, it's really not a bad looking design. You know, it's a very nice looking case regardless at the end of the day, so I can't really complain too much about it, other than the fact that, again, I just don't like that it's going to attract fingerprints. But aesthetically, it's going to do its job as long as you make sure that you take care of the phone right. You know, it's not going to maintain any heavy damage. And again, just looking at the top, it's pretty much similar to the other devices as far all the way around. You know, you get those little, at least for the rugged cases, which I would consider this kind of a rugged case also, you're going to get that little portion of that as well. But that's why I was a fan of the minimalistic case, because the minimalistic case doesn't have that little cutout, and it just feels a little more sturdy in hand. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, guys. Be sure to check out the links in the description below, and if you have any questions or comments about this, smash the like button. And please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.